Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. Under which category of human body pH value work? Your right answer is 7 to 7.8. Option B is your correct answer. What is the southernmost point of the Indian Union where tsunami came? Your right answer is Indira Point. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the Muslim Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh? Your right answer is Syed Ahmad Khan. Option C is your correct answer. The art of embroidery is basically in which state? Your right answer is Manipur. Option D is your correct answer. Who became president of Central Legislative Assembly in 1925? Your right answer is Vital Bhai Patel. Option B is your correct answer. What is the refractive index of water? Your right answer is 1.33. Option B is your correct answer. Thomas Cup and Uber Cup are related to which of the following games? Your right answer is badminton. Option D is your correct answer. By which method can a candidate win even if no candidate gets a full majority? Your right answer is most wanted person's victory. Option D is your correct answer. What is the situation when the sun is vertically above the Karka Rekha? Your right answer is summer solstice. Option C is your correct answer. What is the minimum period for the arrested person to be presented by the police in front of the nearest high court? Your right answer is or judge within 24 hours. Option A is your correct answer. What is the first stage of gene deposition in which enzyme RNA polymerase is copied to any particular segment of DNA in the RNA, especially mRNA? Your right answer is transcription. Option D is your correct answer. Which part of the Indian Constitution is called the identity card of the Constitution? Your right answer is preface. Option D is your correct answer. What is the first constitution of world to start with the introduction? Your right answer is American Constitution. Option B is your correct answer. When the new system of joint direct taxes was implemented by indirect taxes was implemented by GST government? Your right answer is 2017. Option C is your correct answer. When did Indian National Congress Lucknow sections takes place, in which the Narmada Dal and the Nationalist Party of the Hot-Dal Furious got organized in the Indian National Congress? Your right answer is 1916. Option D is your correct answer. In relation to the Policy Commission, what is the full form of the abbreviations NITI? Your right answer is National Institute for Transforming India. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the president of the 14th Finance Commission of India? Your right answer is Y.V. Reddy. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is not contribute to the larger size of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is health factor. Option D is your correct answer. What will be the magnetic field within the solenoid? Your right answer is same. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is under competitive spraying? Your right answer is 100-meter race. Which of the following is under competition spraying? Your right answer is 100-meter race. Option A is your correct answer. Where is the Pamp grassland? Your right answer is Argentina. Option A is your correct answer. Under which category are all green plants and bacteria that make their food through the actions of photosynthesis? Your right answer is manufacturer. Option A is your correct answer. Where did the origin of the handicapped of blue poetry originated? Your right answer is Jaipur. Option D is your correct answer. Hizar Glacier, which of the following is situated in the mountain range? Your right answer is Karakoram Mountain Range. Option C is your correct answer. What is the process of taking oxygen from the external environment of the body? Your right answer is respiratory. Option C is your correct answer. Who told the Hindu institution to the Indian Constituent Assembly? Your right answer is Lord Viscount Simon. Option D is your correct answer. Who is known to make an image of Mother India during the freedom struggle? Your right answer is Abhinendranath Tagore. Option B is your correct answer. How many constituencies are there in India? Your right answer is 543 constituency present. Option A is your correct answer. Bhilai steel plant is located in which of the following Indian state? Your right answer is Chandigarh. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is part of the Winter Olympic Games? Your right answer is cross country skiing. Option C is your correct answer. Which country defeated India in the main sections of the 2011 Cricket World Cup? Your right answer is Sri Lanka. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to the play of the game of Kabaddi, which is considered to be violations of the rulers of the game? Your right answer is to touch. Option B is your correct answer. According to the agricultural calculation 2010 to 11, what is the average size of land in India? Your right answer is 1.15 ha. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the specialities of the Indian Constitution is derived from the Constitution of United States? Your right answer is power of judicial review. Option D is your correct answer. Who is responsible for the organizing and superintendence of all panchayat election? Your right answer is State Election Commission. Option B is your correct answer. Where is the Sargasso Sea located? Your right answer is Atlantic Ocean. Option D is your correct answer. In which layer of jet stream the Earth's atmosphere is found? Your right answer is troposphere. Option D is your correct answer. What is the sale or purchases of secondary government securities through auction by the Reserve Bank of India? Your right answer is open market operation. Option A is your correct answer. What is the long-term financial market of an economy known? Your right answer is capital market. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the land area of which continent is the highest in the world? Your right answer is Asia. Option A is your correct answer. Except for the status as per the procedure established by law, no person will be deprived of life and personal liberty. This is an establishment law, and in what article of the Constitution is cited? Your right answer is Article 21st or 21. Option A is your correct answer. In 1853, where did Dalhousie take over the cotton producing region? Your right answer is Bearer. Option B is your correct answer. When did Bangladesh differ from Pakistan? Your right answer is 1971. It is more important. Option B is your correct answer. Who started the Atmiya Sabha? Your right answer is Raja Rammohn Roy. Option A is your correct answer. The famous Seven Hills Temple is situated in which state? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. What is the second form of calcium carbonate? Your right answer is, all of the options are correct, limestone, chalk, marble. Option D is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 47. Which of the following country does not get the border from India? Your right answer is Iran. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.